Friends, if we cut this layer of our credit card of this size and put it in our ring, then we can pay the bill of anything through our ring. But this guy does not believe this video at all. Then he also thinks of trying it and starts cutting this layer of his credit card. After cutting this layer properly, he sticks this layer of credit card on the ring with a glue machine and comes to the market to buy some things. After buying the thing, now it remains to be seen whether we will be able to pay the bill with such a ring or not. But before seeing that, on one side there is mother and on the other side there is money. Which one of the two will you like? Only the people who like mother like me will like this video and subscribe to the channel. And see, in this way, if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, click on the remix option and type on use this sound, then some such magic will happen.